Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about sets: universal set, union of set, intersection of set, complements, and product of set. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, you will find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. Now, when we are talking about universal set, is the set that contains all objects under consideration, and it is usually denoted by the symbol U. For instance, this is an example natin, we have this universal set. So this one is a universal set. And in the universal set, we have a set builder notation containing um, x such that x, or for all x such that x is a letter of the English alphabet. So, yung mga elements ng ating universal set ay English alphabet. So, how many letters do we have? As we all know, we have 26 letters in the English alphabet. So, for the set A, we have um, vowels of English alphabets. So, meron tayong mga vowels, di ba? Yeah, like A, E, I, O, U. And then for set B, we have set elements A, B, C, D, and E. For set C, we have S, W, Z. And for D, we have all consonants in the English alphabet. So, yung mga consonants naman ito. So, kung titingnan natin, lahat ng ito under sila ng universal set ng English alphabet natin. Ang ating universal set ay ang English alphabet at ang kanyang mga subsets, na ay mga subsets niya ay ang set A, set B, set C at saka set D. So yun ang universal set. Yun ang tinutukoy sa definition na ito. Okay? Now, let's proceed to the first topic, which is all about union of set. So pag sabing union of set, as you can see, we have set A and set B, a representation of the union of set. So as you can see, this is a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram yan, no? And then, if A and B are subset of the universal set, so let's say this box is a universal set. So this one is a universal set. Okay? Tapos, the union of A and B denoted by A union of B. So ito yung ano niya, symbol ng union, yung parang letter U, is a set of that contains all the elements belonging to A and B or both. So, lahat ng elements na nandito, kapag pinagsama natin ang elements ni A at ang elements ni B, ang tawag doon ay union of set. Okay? So, union of set ang tawag doon. Now, let's have an example. For this example, we have this Venn diagram with the universal set. And we have 17, 19, 21, 23, and 15, 25, 5. Okay. So, what are the numbers in C? Ano yung mga numbers sa letter C natin? So, as you can see, yung red na circle, siya yung letter C natin. Tama? So, this circle, okay, has 29, 5, and 17. So, therefore, increasing order, in an increasing order, we have 5, 17, 29 for the elements of set C. For D, it's obvious that the elements are 21, 17, 15, 25, 23, and 19. So those are the elements in set D. Now, what is the union of set C and D? Or C union of D? So pag yan naman, ipaggagawin lang natin, pagsasamahin lang natin sila. Okay. So, as you can see, meron silang number na common. Okay? Meron silang number na common, 17. Yung 17, kapag tinatanong ang union, once lang siya isusulat. Hindi pwedeng mag-repeat yung numbers. Okay? So, pag sabing union, yun na yung kabuuan ng dalawang sets or ilang sets man yan, no? Kung ilan man sets yan na pinagsama. Okay? Now, let's proceed to the next one. Okay? We have this what we call intersection of set. So we're done with the union of set. For the intersection, this is the opposite of the union of set. Okay? If A and B are subsets of universal set U, the intersection of A and B denoted by A intersection. So the symbol for the intersection is this one, yung parang pabaliktad na U. is the set of all elements belonging to both A and B. So, ito naman, belonging to both. Ibig sabihin, pareho silang mayroon. Okay, so for this one, this is a representation. Ang tawag dun sa gitna ay joint set. Okay? An element X belong to intersection of set A and B if and only if X belongs to A and X belongs to B. And the representation is A intersection of B. It means that any variable or all for all X such that X is an element of A and X is an element of B for all the elements of X. Okay, kung ano man yung X na yon, basta belong siya sa both A and B, we call them intersection of set. Now, let's have an example. So, we have the universal setbacks, and then we have the Venn diagram A and B. And for this one, this is the joint, or this is the disjoint set. Okay, so disjoint set, kapag disjoint set whose element is an empty set are called disjoint set. So, kapag wala silang intersection, ang tawag doon ay disjoint. Ibig sabihin, wala silang similar. Let's say, si A, meron siyang 1, 2, si B, meron siyang 3, 4. So, they don't have similarities or similar elements. So, we call them disjoint set. And we represent that disjoint set a null set kasi nga wala siya. It's an empty set. Okay, now let's have an example. We have C and D for the universal set, and these are the numbers. Okay, so we've done discussing about C and D. So the elements for C is 29, 5, and 17. For the elements of D, we have 17, 21, 19, 23, 15, and 25. As I can see, this is a joint set kasi merong laman yung kanilang intersection. Now, the question is, what is the intersection of C and D? The answer is 17. Okay, yun ang kanilang similar numbers. As you can see in the elements of C and D dito sa ating meron silang similarities, and this is the number 17. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one, the complements of a set. Ano naman yung complements of a set? As you can see dito sa ating universal set box, meron tayong isang circle wherein this is the A. And A complement, pag sabing A complement, ito yung set, or sabihin na natin, ito yung mga elements na wala dito sa circle na to. As you can see, nasa labas si A prime, okay? Or A complement. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga merong numbers dito na wala kay set A. At nasa universal set sila. So, the complement of a set A with respect to U is the set whose elements are in universal but not in A. So, magbigay tayo ng halimbawa. Examples, find the complement of the given set in each of this situation. Halimbawa, this is the universal set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the set A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Okay, for number 1, what do you think is the complement of A? Okay, for A complement, we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Kumbaga, aalisin mo lang ito. So, you can do cancellation method. So, let's say 1. Meron siyang 1. Alisin natin. 3, 5, 7, and 9. Then, yung matitira, sila yung complement ni A. How about this one? So, we have 100 to 299 and we have 200 to 299. Aalisin natin 200 to 299. So, matitira 100 to 199. Okay, so that is the B complement of B. Okay, of the set B. And next is the set of multiples of 5 between 0 and 50. Ibig sabihin, anything that is divisible by 5 between 0 and 50. We have set C, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So, I think meron pang natitirang ibang numbers na pwedeng i-divide sa 5. And those are 5, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Diba? 0 to 50. So, yung 5 itself, pwede siyang i-divide by 5. And then 30, we have 35, 40, 45, and 50. Okay? And another. So, we have this representation of universal set in the backs and the intersection of the two circles using the Venn diagram. Okay. What is the C complement? The C complement, we have this C So, yung matitira is 19, 21, 23, 15, and 25. So, that is the C complement. How about the D complement? So, ito yung mga elements ni D. Ano yung wala sa kanya? This is 5 and 29, right? How about C intersection of D complement? Okay, this one. We have C intersection of D. What is the intersection of C and D? 17. Ngayon, ano yung complement ni 17? Ibig sabihin, yung wala dito. So, we have 5, 29, 21, 25, 15, 23, and 19. So, that is, or those are the elements in the C intersection of D complement. Kumbaga, hanapin mo muna yung intersection of D. After makuha yung intersection, hanapin mo yung mga complement. Hanapin mo yung complement ng buong universal set na yon. So, ibig sabihin, kung nakita mo na ang kanyang intersection ay 17, ano yung mga natitirang numbers na wala doon sa intersection na yon? So, halimbawa, C union of D. So, ito yung intersection nila. Ito yung union, di ba? Ito yung kabuuan. So, what is now the intersection, the complement? The answer is empty. Kasi, since this is the union, ayan, kabuuan na yan, so, hanapin natin yung nasa labas. No? Kasi nga, union na siya eh. So, yung wala. So, kung kukunin natin ng union, lahat siya masasama lahat ng numbers yan. So, ano pang numbers ang wala? So, that is empty. Finally, we have in the product of set. So, madali lang ang product. It is just like a multiplication table. So, A times B equals the X and Y, or coordinates X and Y, such that X is an element of A and Y is an element of B. So, example, let A is equal to AB and B is equal to BCD, the set of distinct ordered pairs. So, C, so paano yung multiplication? So, ganito lang yan. Let us distribute A to all these letters. So, we have B and D. So, we have AB, AC, and AD. Next, let's distribute this one to all of this. So, we have 1, 2, and 3. So, we have BB, BC, and BD. Or you can use another one. Okay, let's have another example so that we can understand the product of set. Example, find the product of x times y, where x is 1, 2, 3, and y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can use this one. This is the y, 1, 2, 3, 4, and x is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you need to put pagitan sa kanila kasi hindi pwedeng mag-multiply pag dito. Okay, so we have 1, 1, so ito yon. Then 1, 2, 1, 3, then 1, 4. Then we have 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, and then just list them. Ito, ililist mo lang yung mga yan katulad ng ginawa natin dito na nakalist sila using bracket box. Okay? So that is the product of set. Pag ganun. Okay? Your answer will be the product of set. Okay? So that's all about for the sets, universal, union, intersection, complements, and product of set. With that, thank you very much for listening.